Hello, Larry here from the Champagne Insurance Agency. I hope the weekend treated you well. This week, we're going to be talking about when cheap insurance becomes expensive. The cheapest insurance can be the most expensive bill you ever pay because it shows up after claim. In Michigan, a lot of savings comes from lowering or limiting the parts of a policy that actually protect you. On an auto, that's PIP, your personal injury protection or medical coverage, uninsured, underinsured motorists, and the collision type. On home, it could be water backup, roof coverage, deductibles. These choices seem small until there's an accident or a leak. For example, a family picked 250,000 for their PIP. That is something that anybody can choose. It is not necessarily recommended, but that means any medical related treatment to your auto accident claim limits at 250,000, which could go fast. Having that coverage only cut the cost about $35 a month. After a serious crash, total medical and rehab for this family cost over $400,000. PIP paid their limit. The health plan did not cover months of in home care or some equipment. Out of pocket over time was around $85,000. Plus, you missed work. That $35 a month in savings felt good, but it wasn't worth the trade off. Um, when you do compare policies, don't start with price. Start with what happens if. What happens if I'm in an accident? What happens if my home is damaged? Walk through two or three real claim scenarios with your agent and ask for the math. If you're not sure how your coverage would respond, it's worth checking with your insurance agent before you need it. We do this walkthrough all the time. Um, Let us know if you've ever wanted to get your policy reviewed or talk about specific claims examples and how your coverage levels would pay out. As always, thank you. Have a wonderful day.